Hello everyone, welcome back to CSS Decoder. Today we are diving into something super excited that can truly transform your life, and that's improving your English communication skills in just 90 days. Now, I know that learning a new language and improving fluency can feel overwhelming, especially if you're preparing for a job interview, exam, or especially trying to get more comfortable in everyday conversation. But trust me when I say this, mastering English is easier than you think. You don't need to spend years learning, or you definitely don't need to feel stuck. The key is having the right plan, the right mindset, and the right resources. And that's where I come in. In this video, I'm going to share with you a comprehensive 90-day plan that will completely transform how you speak, write, and understand English. And the best part, you won't be learning random words and grammar rules. This plan is all about practical communication, whether you need to speak fluently in professional setting, ace your exams, or feel confident speaking with friends. You will gain real-life communication skills along the way. Just close your eyes and imagine 90 days from now on, you will be able to hold conversation in English without second guessing yourself, tackle tricky grammar like a pro, and even think in English naturally. Sounds amazing, right? So let's not waste any more time. I've divided this plan into three phases. Each phase is designed to build on the other. So by the end of 90 days, you will see a huge transformation in your fluency, your confidence, and speaking ability. Watch till end because I will share some tools that can be used to improve your English. These online tools will help you practice anything, anywhere, and make the learning process fun and engaging. So ready? Let's dive right in. Here's how this 90-day challenge is broken down. Phase 1, day 1 to 30, building strong foundations. Phase 2, day 31 to 60, journal practice and confidence boosting. Phase 3, day 61 to 90, advanced communication and fluency mastery. Phase 1, it's all about think in English and imagine in English. First thing first, you need to solidify the basis. And here's what you will do. First 10 days, focus on vocabulary building. Download vocabulary apps or some books or even some videos like podcast interviews may help you in. Use them to learn at least 5 new words daily. And here's the twist. Don't just memorize these words and try using them in your sentence during your day. Day 11 to 20. Work on the grammar and sentence structures. Go to the websites like Grammarly or ChatGPT or simple Meta AI on your WhatsApp to practice grammar rules. Every day, pick a new grammar rule and practice writing sentences in it. And the best way to do it, just open any ChatGPT or Meta AI on your WhatsApp or on your mobile phone and have a conversation with them. And that conversation doesn't have to be that tricky or complex. Just start with the basic like hi, how are you? What you are doing? What's your favorite hobbies, etc. Like very basic. Now day 21 to 30. Practice listening like BBC Learning English, some podcast in English or even TEDx talks. Now listen actively and repeat key phrases to improve pronunciations and accent. Also, check out YouTube channels with effective English communication or in short, listen to your favorite speaker on YouTube. And the best way to do this is noting down the selected sentence on a separate piece of paper and repeating them throughout your day. This could also be done with the movie, series, and music. And by doing so, by the end of this phase, you will have a solid foundation with a growing vocabulary, improved grammar, and better listening comprehensions. Phase 2. Now it's time to level up and start speaking confidently. Day 31 to 40. Begin using online websites and mobile apps having AI speaking features. And here you can talk to AI and practice real world conversations. Don't worry about the mistakes. Just speak because it's just an AI, not a real person. Day 41 to 50. Start creating mini vlogs and audio diaries in English. Use your mobile phone and record yourself speaking on any topic. And this will help you improve your fluency and confidence. You will notice that initially you will be stuck and you will be confused with the sentences. But with the time, with the days and practice, you will find that you can easily speak 2 to 3 or more even sentences comfortably. Day 51 to 60. Focus on public speaking skills. Try it with yourself in the mirror initially, and later try it with a few complete sentences with your friends and family. And later increase the number of sentences with 1 to full-fledged conversation in English. So when you reach to this point, challenge yourself and upload a comment in English and try to reply one comment in return. By the end of this phase, you will not only be speaking more comfortably but also tackling real conversation with ease. Phase 3. This is where the magic happens. Mastering fluency. Day 60 to 70. Dive into some complex conversations using platforms like Clubhouse, Twitter Spaces, family or friends debates on different topics, or even LinkedIn audio rooms. Engage in discussions on topics you are passionate about, and you will see your fluency skyrocket. Day 71 to 80. Read newspapers like The Guardian, The New York Times, and summarize the articles in English. Along with this, read in a loud voice so that the complex sentences and tone fits through your mouth. Join book clubs or discussions forum like a Goodreads to debate what you have read. Day 81 to 90. Start teaching someone else. This could be done when you can become a tutor and simply teach a friend or sibling. When you teach, you not only solidify your own skills but become more confident in the language. Now here's one tip for you. Encourage yourself to practice every day without stressing the perfection. By the end of these 90 days, you will be speaking fluently, thinking in English, and handling any conversation with confidence. Let's just have a quick recap of all the things. Number 1, think and imagine in English. Next, start it with yourself. Have a conversation with you in the mirror, or you in a vlog, or you in the camera. Just start it with yourself, shift it to AI conversations, speaking conversations, and then come to your friends and families. And the best audience to target are the young siblings, those who are not going to question you on any of your mistakes. So just be relaxed and have a conversation with them. And when it comes to vocabulary, just start with the 5 words on daily basis. Listen to the podcast, listen to the music, listen to the movie, anything that you have interest in. Like for example, I improved my English from music. Like how? Let me just explain you with an example. Who says you're not perfect? Okay, so just ignore my voice and ignore my singing. Just focus on the words. If I could have said those sentences without music, who says you're not perfect? If I could have said that in my native accent, that would be who says I'm not perfect? Now the word perfect. If I could have said that in my native English, I could have pronounced it like perfect. But they are saying it perfect. So it's a slight difference in the accent. So this is how you're going to pick your accent from the words that are being said in music, in podcast, in interviews, in series, or in any of the things that you're watching. This technique is called shadow the speaker, where you just copy the accent, copy the tone, copy the pitch, copy the way the speaker has said something, and you just say it as he or she has just spoke. So now it's your turn to take the challenge, stick to the plan, and be constant. And most importantly, have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe CSS Decoder for more tips of learning and self-development. Let me know in the comment sections which phase you are most excited about. See you in the next video.